Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through our 4-hour strategy, and we're just going to break down the trade entries. Now, we'll do one at a time because there's a little bit in these, and obviously there's a bit to go through on the EA. So let's do the basic strategy. So we've got on our chart, we've got the Donchian channels on our chart, which are the two outer bands that engulf price action. Then we have the midline, which is our midline for the Donchian channel. We have our color, trend color, which is, you can see here, which is printing our the color, change colors on our candles. So what we're looking for the absolute first setup and the most basic setup is for a trend color change. That would be our first potential trade setup. So you're either going long or short on a trend color change. So a trend color change is either from green to red. So anytime we get a change from green to red, you're looking to potentially take a trade. So that would be the very basic setting. So if we go into our expert advisor, we'll pull that over here. You'll see that we've got our Donchian period set at 20. We don't really change the period 30 to 34. We don't change those periods. But the trend color change, if you turn that to true, then and leave everything else at false. I mean, obviously we've got a few things that aren't false here, but if you set that to true, change this trend color Donchian 1 and 2 to false, and then you just put in your initial stop and maybe a target. I've got 260 here for the initial stop, 750 for the target. If you just do that, then all that's going to happen is you're going to take trades based on a change in the trend color. That's it. So if we did that, we would actually get quite a few trades, because you get a trade here, a trade here, a trade there, trade setting up here. As you can see, changing color there, changing color here. So it's probably, as far as looking at potentially what's going to be the most effective strategy, and we can test on that as well. That's probably going to give you a lot of trades and quite often not a lot of great trades. So that's a quick look at the very basic setup on the 4-hour trend trader strategy. That's the basic entry on the trend color change. Thank you.